My cats are in play mood right now. You can see that my cats are fighting. In this video, make sure to subscribe. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Ashmita. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So in today's, oh my god, I'm so happy the sunlight is coming. So in today's video, we're going to be seeing how to achieve that no makeup look. I'm sure just like me, you must have seen all of these celebrities looks and you must have wondered, how is it possible that they look so beautiful and they have such glowing and amazing skin without any makeup at all? Well, let me tell you that that's exactly the no makeup look, and in today's video I'm gonna break it down to you as to how you can achieve that with using just 5 to 6 products, and it takes such little to no time in achieving that makeup look. So if you're interested in learning how to do this no makeup look, please just keep on watching. So with no makeup look, you have to understand that less is always more, and you don't need very expensive and fancy products to achieve the no makeup look. You can achieve with what you already have. It's just that you have to know how to layer the products and everything. It's very simple. So the first product that I'm going to be using is, normally I would like to prime, but because I want to keep my face super fresh and natural and glowing, I'm going to use a strobe cream, and for that I'm using the MAC strobe cream, and this is in the shade Peach Light. You can use any strobe cream. I don't have any other strobe cream right now. You can use any strobe cream, or you can also use an illuminating primer. I currently do not have. I only have matte primer, and this is the only strobe cream I have. So I'm using this one, and you can just apply it all over your face like you would apply your moisturizer or a primer. My cats are having a good time. My cats are in play mode right now. Anytime the AC is on, they think that it's sleep time, because normally when we go to our room, we switch on the AC and then we go to sleep. So they think it's sleep time, and they get these night zoomies during the daytime also if the AC is on. You can see that there's a subtle glow to my face. That's what a strobe cream normally does. You can also mix your strobe cream with your foundation to give even more, natural look, but I normally don't use a foundation. So in this video, I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you how to achieve this makeup look without using a foundation. So like I said, less is more. I'm going to use very little concealer. I'm just going to apply a little bit here and here. And then I'm going to apply a little bit here on my marks. And actually that's it. That's all that I need. I'm just going to take a brush and I'm going to quickly blend that. I normally use my fingers only to blend. And the finish that you get by blending with your fingers is just unmatched. Whatever is left on my brush, I always like to just apply it on my eyelids as well, so there's no discoloration. So next I like to go in with a tint, because tint gives a very natural look, and I really love how it also makes your skin a little glowing. So for tint, I'm gonna be using for tint normally, you can see that my cats are fighting that. So for tint, I normally use the Etude House tint, but recently I've been using this one. This is the Hebronics Lip and Cheek tint in the shade Raspberry, I think. So this is the one that I've been currently using, and I absolutely love this. This is like a super bright fuchsia pink, and it looks so beautiful, and it gives that, such a nice natural glow when you've applied it. But at the same time, this is extremely pigmented. So you have to be very careful when you apply this. And also when you apply this, you have to make sure to blend it really quickly, because it dries super quickly. So I like to apply it on one side and blend it, and then I go on to the next side. I like to take it above my eyebrows to give that lifted look. You see that natural glow and that flush of color. It looks absolutely beautiful. And then I go on to the next side after applying it on this side. And then I like to apply a little bit on my nose just to give that sun-kissed kind of look. I always like to go ham with my blush, because I'm such a blush person and I love applying a lot of blush. To keep everything in the same color palette, I like to take a little bit on the tip of my finger, and I like to apply it on my eyelids as well, just a little bit, and I kind of connect it to the blush here. Yep. I also like to apply the same tint on my lips. You can see how fresh and natural this already looks. Next, I'm gonna set it all with a powder, and for powder, I'm gonna use a loose powder, not a compact powder, because loose powder gives a very natural look. So I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I'm gonna use this to set my under eyes. Just like to blend a little bit and get rid of any creases that I have, and then I like to set it with this powder. very little. I'm not baking or anything. Then take a little bit more and I like to apply it all over my face just to make sure that everything is set, because we are using liquid and cream products. Looks so beautiful, right? I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. You can apply an eyeliner if you wish to. I would like to skip eyeliner. For mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara. The print is already almost gone. I use this every single day. I like to wiggle my lashes and apply so it gives a little bit more volume and length. After applying mascara, what I like to do is whatever is left on the mascara wand, I don't dip my wand again into the bottle. Whatever is left after applying mascara, I just like to brush my eyebrows with it. I don't use an eyebrow pencil when I'm doing like a very natural makeup look. With this, our makeup look is actually done. I just like to top it off with a lip gloss or a tinted lip balm. Right now, I can't find my tinted lip balm, the Watermelon Crush or the strawberry one from the Dot and Key one. This is the one I could find. This is the mango one. This is not tinted actually, but I'm gonna go ahead with this. This gives a very glossy look to my lips, so I like using that. If you wish to, you can go ahead with a satin lipstick, or you can apply a gloss or something. I like to go ahead with the lip balm because I just like lip balm. I'm just gonna apply that a little bit. And with that, this makeup look is done. It's that simple and easy. It's just so beautiful and stunning. But at the same time, it's so simple and natural and glowy. I absolutely love this makeup look. I always carry this makeup look no matter where I'm going. I just like to go ham on the blush, so I apply a little bit more than usual. But if that's not what you prefer, you can definitely tone down the tint a little bit on your cheeks. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video, and also before you leave, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, it's bye from Ashmita.